is a story of Joe who was never pessimistic. Every cut has a story about dreams and rework. With one pair of scissors from Barber Joe. Neat cuts, friendly prices, you will definitely want it. Continue the work, passion never fades. Joe proves that dreams can be measured. Handspring style, from a neighborhood kid to an old man. Scissors walk, dreams are constantly being chased. From zero to becoming a big businessman. Behind the beard and slick hair, there is a story of Joe who is never pessimistic. Every cut is a story about dreams and real work. Greetings with one pair of scissors from Barber Joe. Neat cuts, friendly prices, you will definitely want it. Continue work.